Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Tesla Model Y charge port, full guide. First, make sure the car is unlocked and in park, then approach the rear left quarter panel. Use the key fob by double pressing the back button, or open the Tesla app and tap the charging icon, or simply insert the CCS connector, and it will pop open automatically. Then lift the flap gently and connect the key. Using the key fob is quick and reliable for many drivers, especially when hands are full or weather is poor. Stand near the rear corner and double press the trunk button on the fob to trigger the charge port release. If nothing happens, unlock the car and try again, then use the app method or insert the cable to force open. Keep the fob battery healthy to avoid signal issues. The Tesla app gives remote control to open the charge port if you prefer a hands-free method, which is handy in rain or snow. Alternatively, most public chargers will trigger the port when you insert the connector, which is useful when the fob is unavailable. After opening the flap, visually confirm the opening before inserting the plug, and ensure the connector locks in place to start charging safely and avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.